Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted TikTok drafts. This method works for both Android and iPhone users, and we'll be using the TikTok app to request your account data, which may help you recover those lost drafts. First, open your TikTok app and head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of your profile. Then select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Now, scroll down to the Account section and tap on it, and then tap on Download Your Data. This option allows you to request all the data associated with your TikTok account, including videos and possibly your drafts. After that, tap on Request Data. TikTok will process your request, and it may take a few days for your data to be available for download. Once it's ready, you can download the data and check if your drafts are included. When your data is ready, TikTok will notify you, and you can download the file. Open it, and look for any recovered drafts or videos that you might have lost. While there's no guarantee that your drafts will be recovered, this is one of the few ways to try. I hope this helped, and if it did, be sure to like this video and subscribe to App Insight for more TikTok tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your social media experience. See you in the next video.